Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan, and today you guys can see I'm back with the screen recording, and we are showing you all how you guys can get your hands on the Nike Dunk Low Spartan Green, which is another pair of shoes we have dropping very soon. On June 3rd again, as you all know, or maybe don't know, there's many hype shoes dropping that day, so it's a pretty big release day, and this is one of those shoes that is going to be dropping on that day that's hype. So we'll get straight into it. If you want to check my Instagrams down below in the description, give me a follow there, or subscribe and like for more, sneaker investment, how to cop videos, anything like that, then yeah, it's all down below, and I'd appreciate that. No real light goal in this video, but just as many as possible, that'd be dope. Let's just really hop into it. So first things first, the Nike Dunk Low Spartan Green, again, the drop date, just have it marked on your calendars. I mean, there's several other drops happening on this day. The Core Purple 2.0s, if you just want to call them that, those are dropping on this day, along with the Michigan Dunk Low. So just June 3rd, 10 a.m. Eastern time. So if you're on the West Coast, don't forget it's not going to be 10 a.m. probably going to be 7 a.m. So just make sure you check the app, get it downloaded, get your accounts made. We'll run through everything in the video, but just make sure you have that all set up. And remember, June 3rd, 10 a.m. or just wherever you're at, make sure you just have the right time. You're there for the drop, because it's not going to be 10 a.m. everywhere. But yeah, aside from that, kind of looking into the details of it, I really like what they did here with the insoles. Usually this is a part of a shoe that I would just never mention or really pay attention to, but I like how they made the Nike symbol on the insoles orange, and it really fits kind of with the white and green on the Spartan Greens. I like it. Personally thought that was a good decision. Just kind of wanted to point that out and mention it. And this is also dropping in grade school sizes, do not forget, and these are going to be profitable as well, if not more profitable than the adult ones. Just these are money too, so you want to make sure whenever you're going for these, make sure you're entering in both, because these are going to be some money makers. So yeah, Nike Dunk Low Varsity Green, do not mess around with this drop, and do not miss it, because this is, personally, I think this drop, it's the second most hyped one happening that day. This is probably, I think the Core Purple 2.0 is very underrated. I think people are not looking into that one as much, and that's why I think it's going to be a great sneaker investment, because it's not going for too much really. I've made a couple videos on that. If you want to go check them out, feel free. But just that shoe is getting underrated heavily, and I know that's going to be a big money maker in the future. But this is probably second, or if not the most hyped drop happening on June 3rd. So just if there's any drop to go for, this is going to be one of the ones you definitely want. If there's only 2 drops you could go for, let's say out of the 3, just don't go for the Michigan Dunk Low. Go for this one and the grade school and adult sizes, and also go for that Core Purple 2.0. That just do not want to miss that drop. That is going to be such a good sneaker investment in my opinion. Although women's Jordan 1s do take time to go up, I have a lot of faith in that one. It's looking real nice. It's kind of getting to resale right now on these. So when you go look into resale on these Spartan Green Dunk Lows, first thing you can notice is that the prices are much better than the Michigan Dunk Low. The Michigan ones, you had sales kind of right now range if it was like 210 or 240, I think. And on this one, if you go see the range right now, it's kind of, it is falling constantly, and it's not going to be a sneaker investment. Like, don't hold this shoe. There's no point in doing that. This one's already had pairs releasing since sometime in April. It seems like there's been mainly pairs releasing since probably around this point, since start of May, start of this month. So when you kind of see that, again, range right now, it's like 230, 260, so much better. It's pretty decent, I'd say, for a Dunk Low. I'm very surprised that the Michigan Dunk Low is going for as low as it is, but my personal resale estimation on the adult sizes for this one, kind of just seeing it right now, I'm going to put my estimation at 215 to 240, and I will put a plus in the 240, because I do think that these could, stay at a higher range of maybe like 230, like 260 or something, but for now, at least just 215, 240, that's just my kind of range on these ones, the adult sizes. And when you actually go look in the grade school sizes for these ones, this is again another one I wanted to mention, around 400 sales on them, so it is reliable. And when you look at some of the recent ones, again, StockX sales are always kind of, skeptical, or, a little like, I don't fully trust StockX sales, but you can see it. I guess it was doing a little rising for a little bit for some of the sales on this one, but you can see there's a lot of sales on these grade school ones that are selling upwards of $300 right now, at a range of $300 right now. So my estimation on the grade school sizes, I think these will be reselling nicely around, and this might be way low. This might be low, but I don't think it is. I do not think it's too low at all. I think it's going to drop a lot. All right, we do have a lot of sales right here up at this grade school one at like $300, but I think these are going to drop a lot. I'm putting the resale estimation at $200 to $230, and I will put a plus in the 230, because who knows, maybe there just will not be as many grade school pairs of this one dropping as I think, and these won't go anywhere below 200, anywhere near 200, 230. Maybe they'll stay above like 250, up at this $300 price range that they're selling pretty consistently at. But yeah, people are buying them for the high price right now. The demand's there, so shoot, maybe I'm not really looking looking into the Spartan green too much, but I mean, the grade school sizes, at least the grade school sizes are more worth it right now to go for than the adult ones. So that's pretty interesting right there in my opinion. But aside from that, let's get into how you guys would actually be able to directly cop this off the Snkrs app. And if you've been here for my videos before, then you guys know this Snkrs video I'm about to recommend. I always show you all this how to cop right here. And again, if you've watched this video, if you have any questions from it, you can ask the questions in the comments of this video or down below. This video really just shows you all how you guys can make multiple accounts on Snkrs successfully, and really what you got to do to make those accounts, and kind of like all the details to it, everything that you need to properly set them up so you don't get like banned by Snkrs or anything, and you know, then you have to redo the whole process and all that. So it's pretty cool. And you know, the video, I feel like it's pretty decent, not cool, but I feel like it's a decent video. I feel like I explained things pretty well. So if you all want to go check that out, if you haven't already, it'll be right there at the top of the description. I'll show you how you guys can make multiple accounts on Snkrs right now. And also, I'm going to be putting you all on to a little cook group. If you guys don't know my guys at Secret Sauce already, then I want to give you guys a little introduction to my boys at Secret Sauce. Huge shout out to them. And they are a $60 monthly fee, but these guys right here could actually help you cop a release just like this one, since this dunk is going to be dropping on FOOTSITES. The Spartan Green, the Michigan Dunk Low, Court Purple 2.0, all those are dropping on FOOTSITES. All those releases, they're not just Snkrs exclusive, so be staying tuned on Foot Locker, JD Sports, eSpay, all those different places. We'll get into discussing some of those FOOTSITES later, but a cook group like these guys right here, again, my go-to one, what they can do and how they could really help you all get a release just like this one is not only could they show you all the different raffle locations going on for a sneaker like this one, so you can enter locally, or kind of, you know, like to show you more raffles that I won't even show you in this video. I mean, I'm trying to show all the ones I can, but they can actually help you connect you guys to more people kind of around your area, or not around your area, but more shops around your area that may be raffling it off, like skate shops. But they have this system in their Discord called slots, and it's basically, if you enter, once you get into the Discord, it's a section called tickets. Tickets and slots are the same thing. But sorry, my friend was trying to call me. I was getting distracted by that everybody been calling me mid video lately. It's kind of, I need to like turn my phone off or something because it's a distraction. But basically, their ticket section in their Discord, it takes you to this website once you enter in on it, and it shows you all the free and paid slots, and basically people that are willing to run bots for you, that are trusted in the Discord, and they can actually help you get releases because they'll run bots. How it works is, again, once you're on the site, like, you know, you've gone to the ticket section on the Discord and it takes you to the whole site. Again, you enter in one of the slots, and how you enter in one of the slots, it's a Google form. You put your shipping and payment info, and I do this all the time, and again, it's safe and trustworthy. You don't have to worry about any info going missing or, you know, getting stolen, no extra charges, none of that. Again, if you enter in the free slots, then you don't have to pay any fee or nothing after. And yeah, it's really great, and they've helped me get tons of releases this way, and I'm hoping they'll get some of these ones coming up for me soon, because there's going to be plenty dropping on the FOOTSITES, and I'm hoping for the best right there. So if you guys want more content, or not more content, but if you guys want, you know, check out this cook group right here, you know, again, my go-to guys right here. Shout out my boys at Secret Sauce as always. And again, just go check their Twitter in the description. It'll be right there. And it will kind of show you all, you know, just send them a message, be like, yo, Tristan sent me, how can I get into the group? Or, you know, I'm interested in getting into the group, what I got to do. And they're exclusive, they don't let everybody in, but that's what you guys can do to get in right there. And another thing I want to mention too, I'm actually going to be linking this article and this one too down below, the Sneaker News and Raffle Snkrs article. Basically, this Raffle Snkrs, you know, you guys have heard me talk about them in my videos forever now, but this will show you all the raffles that are still currently going on. I think most of these are, you know, overseas again, where you can see a lot of pairs have already kind of released, but there's still a couple raffles that I'll probably update in this page, so you can always go enter in that. Again, raffles are like a second chance with these drops, in my opinion. I've always been trying to enter in them. And of course, with the Sneaker News article, I might replace this with the House of Heat article if I figure out that House of Heat, you know, has like more FOOTSITES, you know, for the Nike Dunk Low Spartan Green up. But for now, they're just saying JD Sports and Finish Line. I know that at least means it's going to be on Foot Locker, JD Sports, eBay, Finish Line. So again, those are 4 I can name. There's a couple that I named that are not there, but yeah, there'll be other places for this shoe that will be dropping on FOOTSITES and raffles all over the place. So I'll be updating you all. Just make sure you check those articles, get in on Secret Sauce. Again, they can show you all more raffle locations. Of course, I'll name a couple right here for you. 43 Iron Hall, Good Hood. I'm trying to think of who else. They're Titolo Shop. Like, there's a few pages like that, you know, that are raffle locations that, you know, are probably going to be dropping the shoe again, but who knows? Maybe they will, maybe they won't. But I expect restocks for these shoes months down the line, maybe. But we'll kind of see. Again, not a hold. But we'll just kind of hop into the intro, or not intro, but the outro right now. I keep messing up a lot of stuff. But if you guys want to just, you know, go check me out down below, check my Instagram, give me a follow there. I'd appreciate that. That's all in the description again, and just subscribe and like for more how to cop videos just like this. We'll be making more content like this, so just stay tuned on the channel. As long as you guys are requesting the videos, we'll be making them, and let me know what releases I should talk about in the comments, anything like that. If this video was helpful, questions, any of that, leave it down below. And I'm gonna end the screen recording because I don't know. Okay, well, I just didn't need to pull that up, but yeah, that was like some Adobe stuff, but I'm gonna end the screen recording there. That was random. So yeah, thank you all for watching. I'm Tristan, and if you're still watching this video right now, I want you to comment Google Home. Just say Google Home in the comments. It's the most random thing, but say Google Home. All right, cool. We're on the same page, but all right, I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace.